Here's the top 5 AI breakthroughs you might have missed this week. First up is Meta AI with their DeepConf inference model. An inference model is the reasoning. It's how AI chooses to think through a problem. Typically, it thinks through all of the problems, all of the paths equally, and then decides which path is the strongest chance to a good answer. The DeepConf method actually breaks that down and it removes all of the weaker methods and decides the quicker one and provides resources to that, working a little bit more similarly to the way the human brain works, and they're seeing astronomical results from that. Number 2, Microsoft has released 2 of its own proprietary MAI models, one with voice and one for preview. Basically the first time they've broken away from OpenAI, and it'll be very interesting to see how that relationship moves forward. Copilot, which is baked into all Microsoft products, is basically a reskinned version of ChatGPT. With the release of some of their own proprietary models, we will need to be watching and see what happens with Copilot here in the near future. Number 3, Esaote, which is a European medical device manufacturer, has just released the first AI cardiac ultrasound machines that are augmented by machine learning, and they're already seeing absolutely amazing results from this, and we could see some major improvements in medical imaging due to machine learning and AI in a very near future. Number 4, Nvidia releases Granary, which is an open source voice model that was trained on about 1 million hours of 25 different European languages, most of which are underserved, and allows for real-time transcription, translation, and real-time usage in video calls and in audio calls. And it's actually going to be really incredible to see some of this put to work and allow people from 2 completely different cultures and languages be able to communicate in near real time with translation and transcription features like that. And lastly, AWS, Amazon Web Services, has actually released a report that over half, about 1.3 million Australian businesses have adopted AI. Those that have seen an average of about a 35% increase in sales and roughly 38% increase in profit margins and productivity. Amazon has had a massive push into Australian businesses with AI, and they're seeing really good success, which is actually kind of a complete juxtaposition from the report coming out here in the United States, where it's about 80% of the corporations that have pushed AI have seen little to no actual effect. I'm not sure what the difference is. I'm going to dive into this a little bit more later, but it is interesting to see the differences between Australia and the United States, and not just the adoption, but the actual implementation and usage. So what story did I miss? Let me know down in the comments and we'll try to hit those next.